Here's a new 2018 Cadillac CT6 sedan. Whether you're driving or being driven, you'll relish the experience of this prestige car in a class all its own. It's well equipped with features you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power heated mirrors, hands-free liftgate, twin-turbo V6 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, multi-zone climate control, magnetic fluid-filled rear shocks, automatic park assist 2, and automatic transmission. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Call us today at 1-866-389-4996.